Alright, we are at Ivar's. It is supposedly a well-known seafood place here on Pike's Place Pier. Now, if you think what you see in front of you is a lot of food, fried shrimp, fried clam strips, fried cod, and fried halibut, you should take a look at what Leanna ordered. 2 pounds of clams.
Like my little bin.
2 pounds of clam.
And I already ate a Caesar salad.
You think you can do it?
I'll try.
All right, there are small clams, so it'll be.
But there's also potatoes underneath.
Oh no! 2 pounds of clams, 4 pounds of potatoes. Good luck with that. All right, here we go. Very nice. Dig in to the Ivar Seafood Feast. Yummy.